Hiya, it's me, Cookie Monster.
And I'm Chef Gong, and we are
Monster Foodies.
Foodies. Help us make delicious snacks in our foodie truck.
For all our friends on Sesame Street. What you Big Bird's cornbread, Oscar's Elmo's Rosita Elmo's peanut butter, Bert's oatmeal, Big Bird, Abby's apple pie, Oscar's yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, and mushrooms. Oh no! Looks like we're missing mushroom. Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the mushroom farm. Come on, let's drive to the mushroom farm. Click to start driving.
We're going to the mushroom farm.
Whoops. We made it to the mushroom farm. Collect the mushrooms. Go ahead. Click to collect the, more mushrooms.
There's another mushroom. Now, let's make some food.
To make mushroom and pineapple pizza, first roll out dough.
Roll, roll, roll your dough. Now spread the tomato. Make sure to get it all over.
Now, oh, yeah.
Then chop the pineapple. Chop, chop, chop. Choppity chop, chop.
Next,
Chop, chop, chop. Choppity chop, chop. Then I'll put it into the oven to bake. Gongs away. Go ahead. It's ready.
now it's time to send to Oscar. Order of
Oscar, it's pizza time.
What's your Bert's oatmeal with blueberries? Abby's apple, Big Bird's cornbread. Oh, that's a good idea.
For this recipe, we'll need herbs, water, blueberries, honey, and cinnamon.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing cinnamon.
Come on, we gotta go get some more. To the forest. We're going to get cinnamon. We're going to the forest. Ow, ow, Cookie. We're here at the forest.
Cinnamon comes from tree bark. Click the trees to collect the cinnamon. You a good collector. More cinnamon.
Let's get cooking.
To make oatmeal with blue, then some water. Next,
Stir, 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 stir. Now I will take it and cook it up.
next,
Make sure to get it all. Get the blueberry.
yep. And last but not least, sprinkle cinnamon on top.
Gong time. Go ahead. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to Bert.
Launch the catapult.
Hot oatmeal with blueberries coming at ya, Bert. Big Bird, Abby's apple pie, Oscar.